Welcome to Pasta Fazool. My name is Andy, and today at my daughter's request, we have a plate known as the amatriciana, which comes from a little town called Amatrice, which is a little town next to Rome, a beautiful little town. And this is where this recipe comes from, so stick around because we'll have a good time. Okay, welcome back. This first thing we do is, well, we turn this on, right? And we put some extra virgin olive oil, always extra virgin olive oil, okay? Make that get hot a little bit. Meanwhile, we cut some onions. Now, I have to tell you this, okay? This is not the original amatriciana recipe. In Italy, they use, instead of the bacon, this smoking bacon, they use a piece of pork known as guanciale. Okay, this is the bacon. Okay, I'm gonna chop this up, little pieces like this. Okay, this is not the original way of making it. I don't have any guanciale, so I'm gonna make an American version of the amatriciana, which comes out just as good and just as delicious. Okay, and the first thing we do is chop up some onion. Okay, it's just onion and a little bit of hot pepper, the bacon. That's about it. Throw some wine in there a little bit, and of course some pecorino romano, which is that really nice tasty cheese. It's not Parmesan, it's from pecorino. Okay, it's really good. Okay, so next thing, what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna throw in these onions in there. Cook some onions. Cook that up first. As soon as that gets a little brown, we're gonna add the bacon to that. Okay, now that's a little brown, the onion. Okay. You don't want it to be too brown. You throw in the bacon here. In Italy, of course, is the guanciale. To my Italian friends in Italy, questo è la matriciana americana, non è quella italiana, ok? Non so che quella italiana ci vuole il guanciale. In America non si trova tanto facile il guanciale, e allora usiamo il bacon. I was just explaining to my Italian friends that here in America you don't find the Italian guanciale, but we use a lot of bacon, which is just as good. And we wait until the bacon is nice and rendered. You're going to see a little bit of the fat cook off, and then I'm going to show you what's next. Meanwhile, we're going to turn this hot water on because we're going to use, instead of spaghetti, the original one is made with Bucatini. Bucatini, see? It's actually a thicker spaghetti that has a little hole inside. Okay, you can actually pass air through it. Okay, it's called Bucatini. It's a little hole, and that's what they use for the amatriciana. It's very famous with this, so we're gonna be using this. Okay. Okay. Now that the onion and the bacon, you can see it, the fat kind of melting a little bit. It's in there. You want that beautiful cream that's creating. You throw a couple of pieces of hot pepper. Not that much, just a few pieces, all right? Okay. We don't want to put too much in there because we want to make it too hot. Okay. Now that it reached to this point over here, you can see the onion cooked and the bacon is almost all cooked. Okay. We're gonna throw in some white wine. Any wine that you like to drink, you just use that a little bit in there, not much. And to that, we're going to add some tomatoes. And I like using the Marzano tomatoes because this tomato is really sweet. It's got a great taste. And they're usually very ripe. Hey, you know me, right? I'm always making a mess. Okay. Okay. We wait until it cooks off. Bring it to a boil. The tomato sauce, the actual sauce, the amatriciana sauce, and then once it brings, we'll bring it to a boil. We'll let it cook for about 15 minutes. Okay. And what are you doing? Are you looking at my? You like my socks? How's my socks? Hi, this is Fazool. Today we're making amatriciana. Okay, now that it's gonna put a boil. See that? What we do is we'll taste it. See how much salt we put in there. Okay, need some salt. I'll say about this much salt. Taste it again. We're gonna taste it again. Make sure. Perfect. Okay. We're gonna let it simmer down when it simmered for about, lower the flame. Oh, I was gonna say about 15 minutes. Okay. Keep stirring it, don't want it to stick. And meanwhile, we got the water boiling. We're gonna throw in this beautiful Bucatini con la vita. Oh, beautiful pasta. Love that pasta. Alright. We're gonna use about a pound. What do you think? You think we're gonna eat a whole pound? Pound of spaghetti? Pound of spaghetti. Pound of Bucatini. Remember, kids out there, you have to use Bucatini for this recipe, because that's how the original recipe was first made. Bucatini, that's how we gotta do it. Okay, we throw Bucatini inside. Okay. Don't forget to put some salt in the water. The water has the taste, as they say, like the sea. I don't know, the sea is kind of salty. Let me I'll make it a little less than the sea, okay? So. Okay, we're almost there. The sauce is perfectly almost. You know what? I'm gonna give it 1 extra minute. The Bucatini. Let's look at this. You know what? We're gonna cook this for, say, about, I don't know. What is the thing over here? I don't know everything. I mean, come on. 6 minutes? Wow. I was going to cook it for about 8 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay. 6 minutes it is. And we'll take all the water out. And try to save a little bit of water. Don't let the whole water go out. So just grab it and just put it right back in here again. Okay. Bring this over here. And this is where the magic begins. The matriciana, you have to put the cheese, pecorino, on it before you actually put the pasta, the sauce, because that's how it was originally made. Okay, so we put that cheese on it. We're gonna mix it up a little bit, put a little more. Yes, I know, that's a lot of cheese. I like cheese. Mix it up. Okay, like like this, nice. That should be enough, okay? And put this back over here. Shut this off. The sauce is made. I'm gonna get that sauce and put it right inside the bucatini without making a mess. Right inside in there. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll mix that up. Smell that. Smell the wine. Oh, I smell the wine. I smell that beautiful bacon, the cheese. This is one beautiful pasta. You guys gotta make this because I tell you, you guys are gonna love this pasta. This is fantastic. Okay, a little more of that that pecorino cheese in it. Okay. You know, this smell right now reminds me when I was in Italy with my mother cooking this pasta. Just brings a lot of memories back. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, now we're just gonna plate it up. Put a little bit of the sauce on it. Put just a little bit of sauce on it, just for the color. That's it. Okay, we're gonna get a plate. Yay, I love this. I'm old school. I guess two will be just perfect. Okay, then put a little bit of the sauce right on it. Okay, I'm here. Of course, again, a little bit more of that pecorino. And this is the amatriciana. Okay? Now, best part of cooking. Taste it. Okay. Alright, baby. Wow, look at that. Ooh, cooked just perfect. That pasta is just perfectly cooked. Perfect. This came out great. Hey, you want to make a good pasta? Make the amatriciana. Make it this way. Right? You don't have to have the guanciale. You can use it with the bacon. It comes out just as good. It comes out really good. Thank you for being with me, for spending a little time with me, and make this because you're gonna love this. And hey, don't forget to hit the little button on the side, right? This is Andy from Pasta Fazool. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.